Hi, everyone. As we step into 2025, it's time to unlock your team's full potential. And at KCOM Academy, we are kicking off the year with an exciting lineup of training programs in January, led by some of the most talented and experienced trainers in the industry. Let me walk you through what's in store for you. First, we have Meeting Mastery Effective Facilitation and AI-driven minute taking happening on January 13th and 14th. Led by none other than Davidson Abishegam. Dave will guide you through mastering effective facilitation techniques and leveraging AI tools to transform your meetings into productive and impactful sessions. It's about facilitation with purpose and automating with precision. On the same dates, simultaneously, January 13th and 14th, we will bring you stress-free success, empowering work-life harmony, and it's led by the inspiring Dhena Doraisamy. Dhena will empower you to achieve balance, to reduce stress, and to elevate your productivity with strategies that promote harmony in your personal and professional life. It's time to thrive without the strain. Then on January 15 and 16, I'm excited to personally lead AI Mastery for Corporate Success. Together, we will dive into how AI can revolutionize your workflows to streamline operations and empower your teams to work smarter. From content creation to workflow automation, this program is designed to give you an edge in the AI-driven corporate world. And finally, we will wrap January with Microsoft Excel data management on January 22nd and 23rd, led by the incredible Suhaila Mohammad. Suhaila will teach you advanced techniques for data organization, analysis, and reporting, and how to turn Excel into your ultimate business ally, to also manage your data efficiently and take your skills to the next level. So whether you are an individual professional or looking for an in-house programs tailored to your team, KCOM Academy is your partner in growth. Don't wait. Start the year strong with the right training, with the right academy where potentials take off. Register your interest for the programs through the link or contact our team through WhatsApp to secure your spot today. Brian, Marketing Manager at KCOM Academy. Thank you.